What is Cavatelli? What does it mean? What does it look like? And can we make it on your stand mixer? Let's find out. It's pasta. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm an engineer down here at FirstBuild, and I've been working on a Cavatelli attachment that will fit onto a stand mixer. For those who don't know, Cavatelli is a type of pasta that originated during the 1200s of the southern region of Italy in the Molise region. Hope I pronounced that correctly. My hope for doing this is that if we make a Cavatelli attachment for a stand mixer, then people who want to do it can do it pretty easily. What we did is we took a Cavatelli maker that already existed that was a hand crank operation, we machined that down a bit so that it works with the stand mixer for the front board axis of the stand mixer. The only thing that we're still working on right now is a little bit of some safety features which we still got to work on, so I was very careful while using it, but all in all, it works pretty good. So, admittedly, Cavatelli is a little bit niche. That is why I'm here to ask you, the audience, have you ever heard of Cavatelli? Would you have any interest in making Cavatelli? Do you have any good memories with Cavatelli? Have you ever wanted to make a Cavatelli, but you just haven't had a good way to do it? And if you do have a good way to do it, how are you doing it? So now is your chance to get involved in the co-creation process. Let us know if you think this is a good idea. Please leave a comment for us. Tell us what you think. Should I keep working on it? Does it pique your interest? I want to hear from you. Go ahead and check out our other 2-minute prototype videos and let us know what you think of those ideas too. We appreciate any and all feedback. Thanks for watching and happy pasta.